nhớ dùng lịch sử mong nữa nó là nó Sunday nhớ đồ Oklahoma lúc cậu đi vẫn thích bé châu ở pa năng gỗ nó bé châu đó pa năng gỗ bé nó nè. Hey Tom, can you introduce yourself?
I'm Tom Butler. During the war, I worked in Laos with the Hmong. We supported the Hmong like the American Air Force did the GIs in Vietnam. That was what we did, and we hauled the young Hmong men to Thailand. Special Forces trained them, then we'd haul them back to the war.
Okay.
And then during the war, like Sing Huang, 1969, Vong Pao's about phase 2, so he called it. He killed off a large amount of Vietnamese in Sing Huang area.
Okay.
And then thousands of Hmong came to the Plain of Jars, which would be west of Sing Huang. And we hauled them out.
I see.
There were, I estimated maybe 10,000. I read
Really?
later maybe only 8,000 or so. And it took them other big Hmong places where they could live safe.
I see. So Tom, are you the pilot?
No.
What are you in Laos when you do the service?
On the airplanes. I was in charge of the back of the airplane loading and
Oh, okay, I see.
They called us kickers because
Kickers.
originally the airplanes, we just piled the rice or whatever we was going to give the Hmong
I
at
see.
the door and then kick it out.
I see.
Finally they got rollers, so we were more efficient, but we're still called kickers, although we were actually, people call them load masters.
So you actually there when during the war, looking at the Hmong were fighting and were trying to survive, huh?
Yes, they had a very tough time. There was just too many Vietnamese. The Hmong were very good soldiers, very good. They were trained by the Special Forces in Thailand, and they could push the Vietnamese around.
Yes.
But
they were
just
peaceful
wasn't enough.
people.
Yeah, but the Vietnamese came into their homeland,
Right.
and it just wasn't enough Hmong. And I feel like when 1,600 of them, Long Pao,
I see.
they took him out of Long Chin
Uh-huh.
to get him out, Long Pao and all of his family and
I see.
important people in May
So
12, 13, 14.
So Tom, what made you decided to come to this Hmong Oklahoma New Year's today?
Well, I'm writing a book about what it was like to work in Laos.
Okay, what it's like to work in Laos.
And it was primarily with the Hmong. And
Okay.
What we did for them, and I come and I talk to Hmong, and I learned more about things that went out on during the war
That
I
is
didn't know.
that is beautiful. That's wonderful that you are trying to help keeping up with the Hmong history,
Well,
and that is wonderful, Tom. What you're doing?
They've written books about the war, and you can get books about Hmong. Hmong
But
history.
each author has a different story to tell. Do you agree? Now you're going to be an author to write about your experience in Laos regarding the Hmong.
I want to write about something that nobody has written about.
Yes,
About what life was really like.
what is life is really like. We need to hear that
I'll
because
never know, but
when I was in Laos, I was just a little girl, so I didn't have that much experience. To me, it was like firecracker, you know, like July 4th firecracker.
Yeah.
That's all I saw, and then I was so little, and so I'm sure when you finish this book, people will want to read, including the Hmong people too, because they want to experience that what it's like during the war in Laos, coming from a Westerner culture, you know.
Yeah, there's a lot
Person.
of bad things,
Yes.
happy things.
Yes.
Some of the Hmong we picked up we weren't supposed to take any men because the war was going on, and we had those thousands of women and kids. And one man, his wife was trying to put him on. He'd put his leg up and push him up. I'd push him off. I'd tell him in Lao, fight or die.
Oh.
You can't go. And she'd do it again, push him up, try to push him in the plane. I'd push him off.
Oh my goodness. And then what age are you around that time? Like how old are you around that time?
30.
Really?
And finally the lady pulled up his pants leg, and he had a homemade wooden leg.
Oh my
If
gosh.
we didn't pick him up, he was going to have a long way to walk to Long Chin or Bon Na.
I see.
And so I took him. So many things. They didn't have refrigeration.
I know.
We call a lizard that was 3 feet long and weighed about 30 pounds. And they had to
Incredible. Yeah, put all those in your book.
They didn't have
I'll be one of your fans to read the book. I'm looking forward.
I'm looking forward to reading
Yes.
what you put.
Yeah.
It's been a good experience talking with you.
Oh, thank you. And then can you tell the Hmong community where you from right now? Like you are in Oklahoma, but you are not living here, right?
I know. I worked and retired from the school system. I was a school counselor 20-some years in Hmong, Oklahoma,
Okay.
which is a suburb of
Okay.
Tulsa. And then I retired and I went to Texas, north of Dallas.
Okay.
It's a lot warmer down there than
I see. So now you're in Dallas.
Yeah,
And then you back.
But I'm not a Texan.
You're not
I
a
don't wanna
Texan.
go-
I see. Because you went for the weather.
Yeah.
And then you heard about the Hmong New Year here, so you fly your way here to be part of it, huh?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you so much for sharing your story a little bit, and I thank you for coming to support the Hmong Oklahoma New Year's, Tom.
Well, I hope you can come back many times.
Yes.
and
Thank you
enjoy
so much.
yourself. And I'm looking forward to reading what you have on.
Yes, definitely, yes. And my father lives in Des Moines, Iowa. Yes. And then he has a huge story to tell. So I will be, he actually the one that on the radar, the American radar.
Oh, it's side 85.
Lama Site 85. He was witness. Pupati. He was actually in the Pupati.
He was.
Yes. And then when the bomb were bombing, get rid of that so that the Vietnamese won't go up there. He said a lot of Americans die right there.
11.
Yeah, 11. Yes, and then also a lot of Hmong died there. But my father was lucky enough to get away. So right now he's down in Des Moines, Iowa. He's very old now. He was almost like 80 years old. So I need to get his book finished before he's too old and forgot everything.
Well,
So
I'd like to have you send some way I could contact him. Can I give you my email?
sure, you got my right there. So you can email me. You can say, Tom, May, this is Tom, and here's my email. Then we can talk from there. Yeah, to that website. Yeah,
Well,
in the one that my daughter wrote.
she wrote your email in.
Yes. So
Because I want to talk to him.
sure.
Because when they lost Side 85, then it's so important that Hmong Kau made an effort to try to take it back.
Yes.
That's where most of the Hmong were killed in that
Yes,
fight.
he actually draw big pictures in Des Moines, Iowa. Not Des Moines, but in Perry City, like a suburban. And then I told him that we'll help him build, like a memorial monument on Pupati, Samai 85. So he's doing that too. So he has a story to tell down there. So I will, since I got your name, I got your information here, I will certainly put you guys connected and then see if we all can put things together that it's really deserved to be written on earth,
Yeah, I want to make sure I can contact
Yes,
you.
definitely. When I'm done with this one, I'll. Okay. then I will. It's nice talking to you though. And then
I've
yeah.
learned so much just talking to you today.
All right. Thank you so much, Tom.